Friends, let's see a video on making a tricolour craft which can be made for Independence Day or Republic Day. This tricolour craft would make an ideal school craft too. So let's go ahead and see the step-by-step procedure of making this tricolour craft. Friends, let's start the project by taking a card paper of 7 cm by 20 cm and a white fabric which is bigger than it. Apply glue on the card paper and stick it onto the fabric. Cover the sides of the card paper with fabric as shown. Again, let's stick a white paper over it to give a clean look. Place a string of wool in between on which we are going to make a tassel later. Keep it aside to let the glue dry for 2 minutes. Once dried, it will look like this. We need 2 such bookmarks, one for Madhubani art and one for Mandala art. Now let's make the Madhubani art on the front side of the bookmark, which is ready. Let's make a border all around the bookmark as shown. As our bookmark is 20 cm in width, let's mark a midpoint at 10 cm. Draw a circle of 3 cm using the compass. Similarly, make 2 more circles, keeping a gap in between the circles as we are going to add a border here too. Let's divide the circles in half. Draw one fish below and one fish above the center line as shown. Here we have added a border for the circles too. Let's color the background with blue acrylic paint. Here I have mixed Persian blue with white to get this shade. Next, let's paint the fishes in the topmost circle in orange color, the middle ones with white and the below ones with green color following the tricolour theme. Now let's make a mandala art bookmark. For that, let's take a plain paper and make a circle of 2 cm, 3 cm, 4.5 cm, 6 cm circles as shown. Now let's draw a line in the middle of the circle, place the protractor and mark 10 degrees each on the above semicircle as shown. Join the points to the center. We only need the half semicircle for this project. Adding one more semicircle, let's start petals above it. Also following the grid, make petals as shown. We can place the paper on the bookmark and trace the design onto the bookmark using carbon paper. Here we have traced the design, and now let's color the bookmark with tricolor theme, that is orange, white and green. Let's keep it to dry, and once the base color dries, go over the mandala design using the blue 3D outliner as shown. Instead of making the grid, you can make a freehand mandala art also. Also fill lines on one side of the petal to complete the design. Also add a tassel on the wool string with beads on it of the tricolor theme. The video link of making the tassel is given above. Friends, here our tricolor bookmarks are ready using fabric with Madhubani art and mandala art over it. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe.